everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this pink ginger makeup look. Since it's the spring season and I love spring colors, so I decided to create this look. A hint of pinkish hue with brown ginger shadows. So let's begin. First, I'll be applying this foundation from Fenty Beauty. This foundation has a soft matte finish. If some of you find it too drying to wear a matte foundation, you can apply moisturizer first before applying your primer or foundation. I'm using a wet beauty blender to blend my foundation. Dab, dab, dab. I also apply my foundation on my neck area so that the skin tone on my neck is the same as on my face. In this video, I'll be using this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. This palette has all the pretty pinkish brown colors in the world. First, I'll be taking this shadow brush and the base color under the dash range on this palette to apply it all over my lids, above my lids, as well as my under eyes area. And after this part, I realized I forgot to draw my brows, so let's go back to my brows first. For my eyebrows, I like to shape my eyebrows with this eyebrow gel pencil from Etude House. I'll be drawing my eyebrows straighter to have a more youthful look. Next, I'll be filling in my eyebrows firstly with this Shoe Humor eyebrow pencil. Just shade it lightly to fill in the sparse area. And using the brush side of the eyebrow pencil to blend the colors. Just brush it lightly so as to prevent from erasing the shape of my eyebrows. And then I'll be using this shade from the palette to shade my eyebrows again. This will make my eyebrows to appear more reddish pink to match the overall look. Now let's move on to the eyes again. I'm taking the same base color again, but this time round with this blending brush to concentrate the color on my eyelids area. Then I'm going to top it off with this color and put it on my eyelids as well to create more depth to my eyes. I also put it under my eyes area. After that, I'm using this mini flat brush to apply this darker shade on the dash range to create this subtle line at the outer area of my eyes and also at the outer quarter area of under my eyes. Next, I'll be mixing these two colors by using this blending brush and apply it all over the outer corner of my eyes and the outer corner of under my eyes. This will create a more depth but will have a subtle finishing as I'm not using too dark of shadows. Then I'll be taking this bigger blending brush to blend any harsh lines around the edges of my outer lids area. Moving on, I'll be using my ring finger to apply this color at the center of my lids. Taking my blending brush again to apply the same shadow at the center of my under eyes as well. Then I'll be taking this color and using the same brush to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. These two metallic colors that I applied will create more dimensions to the eyes as the light hit on my eyes. Moving on to the eyelashes. First, I'll be using this Shoe Humor eyelash color to curl my lashes. Curling your lashes will make a huge difference to your eyes. Try it! Let's line the eyes using this gel pencil liner from Heroin Make in the color brown. Since I have thin eyelids, I'll only be filling this shade at the inner lids of my eyes like so. And then I'll do the wings at the end of my eyes to elongate the appearance of my eyes. For this look, I'll draw the wings to be more straight than curvy. Next, I'll be applying this mascara on my lashes from Heroine Make. I applied on my lower lashes as well. And finally, I'm done with my eyes. Next, let's do some contouring with this Hoola bronzer from the Benefit. I'm just going to shade the outer area of my face to make my face look smaller. I'm going to contour my nose by using this Pro Crease brush. Don't forget to blend, blend, blend. For my cheeks, I'll be using this blusher from 3CE in the color Pure Cake. I will be using this blush brush and apply it at the outer area of my cheeks like so. For the finishing touch, I'll be using this translucent powder from Kat Von D with this big fluffy powder brush. I got this powder brush as a free gift and I love this powder so much as it has a soft blur finish and it doesn't make your skin look powdery. So now I'll be using this brow color from Anastasia to color my brows. This will make my eyebrows color to look lighter and will keep the brows in place. And last but not least, let's apply the lipstick. I'm using this Peri Para Ink Soft Matte Blur Tint in the color Goddess Beige. And now I'm done with my look. What do you guys think? Let me go and do my hair to finish up the look. That's all for my video today. I hope you guys love this look that I created. I had so much fun while doing this makeup look. It is definitely suit to put on this makeup for your dates or any other gathering with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for my next video and have a good day!